Hi, I'm Shweta.
I'm Bhushan Prasad. We are the founder of Catties and we welcome you to Catties Kharghar. We have 3 outlets as of now, 2 at Thane, 1 at Kharghar, and we are into authentic American fast food business. I was doing a lot of jobs into food industries actually, not into hospitality. But of late, what happened is that we started with retail. So first was my Aditya Birla, then Bharti Walmart. So in that area, we were looking after even some of these places where we have meat sections and then prepared food, ready to make food kind of a thing. So I had that idea, why not to start my own? But we were not getting enough confidence actually. So one fine time I was leaving Walmart and I was getting call from some of the people actually. That time they had started, someone from Howard University, and he started the business in India and he had 3 outlets and we were having conversation at night. Then my wife said that where you are looking for. I said, okay, I have these people, they have a tea outlet and they have 3 tea outlets, and they are looking for someone who is really known to the field, and then I'm about to join them. Then she said, if they have 3 outlets, why don't we start our own? Which was your dream? Then we suddenly then decided, and from that day onwards, we started working on it. And then we had the option of starting at Gurgaon or at Mumbai. So we found that Mumbai or Thane was much better in the sense that she can go at night and she can do things and I can join back to the job kind of a thing. So that's the way we started at Thane. Catties for 2 reasons. One is that I was working for a long time back. I used to work for a cake company or a Pillsbury. So they had a brand called Betty Crocker, right? So it was a very clicking kind of a thing, that Betty. And my son's name is Ketan, so I said Catties. And it was looking not like a very common name and very catchy in the sense like anybody can pronounce, anybody can name it up. If it is a too big a name, they cannot. And it was relating too much to the fast food that is like a smaller name.
Actually, पहली चीज जो है फूड की क्वालिटी. He is quality expert. Is a technology food technologist. So I am very sure about कि हाँ ये कर लेंगे ये तो. दूसरी चीज चैलेंज आई थी एम्प्लॉय. So HR department is toughest challenge this area till now. So and हम लोग सेफ नहीं उठाते. हम लोग स्किल डेवलप करते हैं. एक सिंपल थोड़ा 12th क्लास मिनिमम एजुकेशन नीडेड एंड उनके स्किल डेवलप कराते हैं. उनके फूड सेफ्टी है और भी फूड की जितनी भी कुकिंग प्रोसेस सारे उनको हम लोग ही खुद सिखाते हैं. हम लोग ट्रेनिंग देते हैं.
Put a lot of SOPs into it. Yes.
सो ये 2 चैलेंज तो हमेशा से रहती है बिकॉज हम लोग ट्रेन पीपल उठाते ही नहीं. हम लोग अपने तरीके से उनको ट्रेन करते हैं बिकॉज हमारे जो बच्चे हैं ज़्यादा यंगस्टर हैं और स्कूल के बच्चे भी हैं साथ में. तो हम लोग उनको फूड सर्व करते हैं, वो सर्व करना चाहते हैं जो मेरा बेटा भी खा सके, राइट. तो स्टार्ट जब किया था कैटरिंग्स, मेरा बेटा 8 में था ऐसे केतन. उसके टिफिन में लंच में मैक्सिमम टाइम बिकॉज आई एम वर्किंग तो कैटीज के फूड ही होते थे एंड वो कभी खा नहीं पाता था बिकॉज वो सारे फ्रेंड्स मिलके खाते थे. तो और इस तरह से शायद कैटीज वो ऐसे सोची हुई बात नहीं थी, वो मेरी कन्वीनियंस थी, पर उससे वो पॉपुलर होता चला गया. तो मुझे लगा कि हाँ ये तो ज़रूरी है ही कि बच्चे खाएं. तो और मैंने आज तक यही अर्न किया है. आज भी जब एग्ज़ाम होते हैं तो बाहर से बच्चों को खाना होता है तो स्टेट में ये कहा जाता है कि कैटीज में खा लो, कुछ नहीं होगा. सो दैट इज़ माई बिगेस्ट अचीवमेंट.
See, what we started with actually in an area where all those big brands were a little far off or not really catering to that place and that need. So if you really look at when we started, it was very, very small outlet. So students used to hang around, and in one of the outlets, we did not have much of seating. We had some stairs, so they used to hang around. They used to put their legs on each other. They used to really feel very comfortable, and they used to relate also. If you ask people, they'll say that, okay, I'm at Catty's, you come to that place and we'll go from there, or we can eat something there. That was the thing. So it was very comfortable for students, not into a big area, but in a small place where they can hang around properly and they can chill. Why we are different from others is because we are very related to the students nearby. So if you look at Vasant Vihar, we had a school around, and even in Hiranandani, the school students used to come. And second thing is that we were into an area where the bigger outlets or bigger name were little away. So we were into the community. About the menu, we started with burger and fried chicken only. No third things were there. So after some time, we realized that in Bombay, more than burger, the wrap works. So we started with wraps, and after that, it was all based on what people were asking for it, and then we introduced it to that. So our things was very friendly to whatever the customer wanted actually in that kind of a month. Ambient was more of a student friendly. Basically, what we looked at the gap in a bigger way was like bigger giants were only doing burgers and fried chicken. So we wanted to fill the gap with a smaller outlet getting into this field. You can ask anyone, they'll say that, okay, go and have the chicken pops. So chicken pop was the one dish which we started, like when we started, it was like people even looking for other big people. And they were coming to us and they said, if you want to have a chicken pop, smaller bits of it, so then you need to go to this place for better one. That was the signature. And then burgers also, we introduced with a heavy chicken burger actually. Over a period, we started with cheese pulled corn dog. That started from Kharghar. When we started Kharghar, immediately the requirement was for something different. We started with cheese pulled corn dog, and that has become also another pulling factor. You are for the customer, and you're not for me, even for the owner. Whatever the obligation you have or whatever the duty you have for the customer. So we certainly tell people that if you have anything, you have to serve the best, you have to treat them very well, and that's what they try to do. And I'm very happy that they are doing this. See, for running a restaurant is like, although it's a small place, but you have got like a factory kind of a thing. So you have various things to look at. HR for the people, and then you've got quality, then you've got production, then you've got supply chain. But for a person who is seeing from outside, they look at that this I can make at home. But that's the difference. You can make at home, you do it yourself and you finish off, and then you eat among the family. So some of the people, if they like it, also fine. And if they don't like it, you make another dish. For us, it's like every time you have to be the best. You have to serve the customer.
हाँ, काफ़ी चैलेंजेस होती है टाइम पे निकालना. सेम द टाइम कस्टमर को भी आपको इंटरटेन करना होता है, कस्टमर को आपको बताना होता है. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत चैलेंज नहीं, अगर आप कस्टमर को ट्रूथ बताओ. जब भीड़ होती है, काफ़ी क्राउड होती है, तो आप बताओ कि सर थोड़ा टाइम, 5 मिनट तो 5 मिनट, not 2 minutes and you are getting 10 minutes. So we always do like that. तो वो आसान होती है फिर चीज़ें, बिकॉज कस्टमर भी समझते हैं उस चीज़ को. और मुझे ये लगता है कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है क्योंकि हम फ्रेश बना के देना चाहते हैं. इट्स नॉट लाइक पैक चिप्स, राइट. तो जब फ्रेश आप बनाते हो तो उसमें टाइम तो लगेगी. एक चिकन कुक होने में 10 मिनट तो लगेगा ही लगेंगे. तो वो चैलेंज होती है. तो एज ए कस्टमर और एज अ रेस्टोरेंट ओनर वो समझ में तो आता है, काफ़ी डिफरेंस होती है. अभी 2 दिन पहले की बात है, मुझे एक कस्टमर आए और बोले, आंटी मैं 2012 के बाद अभी आ रहा हूँ एंड थैंक गॉड मुझे कैटीज मिल गया। आई फील ये कौन है कस्टमर, मैं रिलेट नहीं कर पाई, पर उसने बताया मुझे और वो बोला मैं एब्रॉड चला गया था और अभी इतने दिन के बाद आ रहा हूँ एंड कैटीज का टेस्ट सेम है एंड इवन मच बेटर। सो आई फील वेरी हैप्पी कि ऐसे कस्टमर भी हैं मेरे पास जो मुझे, और उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा एक नोट लिखा मुझे, मैसेज में दिया है। आई फील वेरी हैप्पी।
कस्टमर्स तो हमारे तो अगर आप देखेंगे, वी वेयर इनटू एरिया वेयर द स्कूल्स आर, सो लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु गो आफ्टर द स्कूल, दे फिनिश अप एंड दे गो ऑफ फ्रॉम दिस एरिया, so maybe at Pune, maybe abroad, and when they come back, the first place they want to go into Catties actually because they relate their childhood, school time. So that's the best thing what we can really relate to. So they come and they say, uncle, how are you? I was not here. I had gone to this place. Now I'm doing the job. So I've come here. So I wanted to come to Catties immediately. So that really helps us into really getting into things that, okay, those people, our customers are correlating to us all the time.
ये स्टोर 22 में ओपन हुआ था। मैं अकेली यहाँ थी, काउंटर पे थी, उस काउंटर वाले कोई आया नहीं। तो एक 26-27 इयर्स का एक ये यानी कपल आए और उन्होंने बोला हाय आंटी। मुझे नहीं समझ में आया कौन है, पर इतना समझ में आया कि कोई कस्टमर। उन्होंने बोला हेलो एंड आपने मुझे पहचाना नहीं, मैं वो छोटा सा लड़का हूँ जो मिनरल वाटर से पैर धोता था और आप हमेशा बोलते थे व्हाई यू आर वेस्टिंग। उसने बोला जब मैं कैटीज का बोर्ड देखा तो आई फील कि शायद अंकल आंटी वाला कैटीज ही है एंड वो सोच के वो अंदर आया खारगर वाले। आई फील वेरी हैप्पी एंड वो भी आके बहुत खुश हुआ एंड उसने बोला मैं यहाँ ऑफिस में काम करता हूँ एंड शी इज माई वाइफ एंड हम लोग दोनों अपने ऑफिस में कैटीज के लिए कुछ करना चाहते हैं एंड इट्स वेरी एक्साइटिंग। सो आई फील ये बहुत अच्छा एक एक्सपीरियंस था।
Like we started up, we had 2 outlets. When Ketan came in, my son, then we started this Khadar outlet, and now on, because he has realized, he has understood the business, now we want to grow further into many areas, maybe the crowded area and other things in Bombay and around. So in 5 years, we would like to see some 20-25 stores. So for us, actually, if you really look at, students are the soul and the young generation. So if you look at young working couple and the students till today, they are the one who are holding us.